Hello friends, today's topic, stock market is useless. From 6 months I'm investing, question mark as well as exclamatory remark. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. I have attended a basic course and advanced course around 9 months back. I've been investing in stock market since last 6 months. As of now, I'm in significant loss. I should have made huge profits by now. I think stock market is waste. Observation and comments. Number 1. We have always told people to invest for long term. It means that you have to invest systematically for 5 years or more. 2. If you had attended our workshop properly, you would have not even think in such a manner. 3. 6 months is too short a period to expect any meaningful profit. It is almost like just planting a teakwood tree. 4. Since the markets are corrected in the last 7 months or so, there is no way any investor would have made a profit if they started within the last 1 year. 5. However, investors who have invested for more than 2 to 3 years, they are still in profits in spite of market correction. Their profits may have reduced temporarily due to the fall in stock prices. 6. Please note only 25 to 30% of total savings should be invested in stocks and mutual funds, not all savings. 7. How you invest and monitor investment depends on your own research. We can only teach you the concept and right approach to stock market. You are always responsible for your profit and loss. The next question of this episode is, sir, are we supposed to only buy? When are we going to sell it? Observation and comments. Number 1. The reason for selling stocks and mutual funds are as follows. A. Company's business is not doing well and its fundamentals are deteriorating from many quarters. B. Mutual fund not performing well compared to index and peer companies. C. You need money for some important purpose such as children expenses, retirement, etc. 2. Many people sell their investment unnecessarily for reasons such as panicking due to overall market weakness, profit booking when there is a rally in short term, or for funding unimportant personal expenses. Number 3. Many investors with a long-term vision sell thinking that a stock has touched high and regret when it appreciates further. Usually investors don't buy stock at a higher price after selling at a lower price. The next question of this episode is very interesting. Sir, please tell everybody, when the market falls, it falls very fast, but when it goes up, it doesn't go up that fast. Observation and comments. Number 1. It is true that markets fall faster than when it rises. It is all because of the gravity. When it falls, there is always some negative news or panic due to which selling by investors is significant. 2. When it rises, the buying is usually not as heavy compared to selling pressure. 3. To the human mind, negative news causes more stress than positive news. The next question is from one of the persons who have taken our workshop. July batch 2023, sir. Waiting to see bear phase now. I'll become more robust in future after seeing this bear phase. The next question is, I'm in 15% loss in my portfolio, but I have very strong guts and that is why I'm continuing because I've taken your classes. The next comment is also very interesting. In my family and some friend circle, portfolio shows red, but my portfolio is green because of Dr. Bharath Chandra class. Observation and comments. Number 1. Investors will be more confident and mentally stronger when they go through a bear phase, since it is a good learning experience. It will make us comfortable to see falling stock prices. If we comfortably pass through the tough phases, then we can easily enjoy the bull phase of market. 2. Usually, when you have good knowledge of the stock market, you'll know how to manage investments and will not panic when markets are weak in the short term. 3. All investors must keep themselves up to date with the latest happening in finance by reading financial websites such as moneycontrol.com. 4. Many investors might have now realized the importance of scientific and systematic investing. Investors who did not research before investing may be facing heavy losses since they might have picked inferior stocks. The next question of the episode is, because of global economic situation, will quarterly results of companies get affected? If it impacts the fundamentals for more than 3 quarters, then how to proceed? Very good question. Number 1. Due to the global uncertainty and slowdown, the business performance of various companies may get impacted. 2. If there is a recession in US, it may take at least 1 year for the economy to recover. Number 3. The economy itself is weak. Many businesses could do poorly for 3 quarters or more. If you are confident of a company's long-term business performance, then it is fine to hold even if it is not doing well for the last 3 to 4 quarters. 4. This is why it is important to track quarter results once in 3 months. Also, read any news or announcements about the stock you hold. This will keep you updated, help you take decisions of holding or selling your stocks. The last question of this episode is, Sir, can I start mutual funds now? Observation and comments. Number 1. If you want to invest in mutual funds or stocks for long term, you can start anytime as long as you can invest for a minimum of 5 years. 2. If you can do SIP or SCP on a monthly basis, or you can invest a lump sum amount in 5 to 6 installments. 3. Especially since markets have been weak since beginning of October 2024, it's a good time to start investing for long term. If you are a new investor, learn the basics through our videos and start as soon as possible. End of the video, here's the question. Is this a major stock market correction you are experiencing in your life? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching, bye bye and all the best.